Settle in, the next few minutes mix asphalt with amazement. Which connects surprisingly to this. Lincoln borrowed books to teach himself law by candlelight in a frontier cabin. Notice the movement ahead, tiny direction changes usually reveal intent before indicators do. Speaking of machines and miles, the first 10 minutes of any ride deserve extra care, because body and mind are still settling into road mode. Water needs vary by body, weather and activity. Thirst is a useful everyday guide. Keep a bottle visible on your desk. Visibility drives sipping. Through Hyderabad, notice how city traffic breathes in waves, pausing and flowing with its own rhythm. A chain sagging too far whips violently and carves the sprocket teeth into hooks. Watch the pedestrians, their eyes write the rules drivers forget. Wherever tomorrow's road leads, may it bring new sights and safer miles.